Hi, welcome my dear students. Today is our concept is multiple and submultiple angles in trigonometry. Right? This is the introductory class. Suppose whenever you are having an angle A, right, my dear students, the multiples of A are nothing but what? 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, so on up to some n into A like this, where n belongs to natural numbers, right? Like for example, if you take any number, for example, if you take 8 multiples are what? 8 into 1, 8 into 2, right? Like this, 8 into 3, so on up to 8 into n. These are the multiples of 8 like this. Like this, these are the multiples of angles. A, 2A, 3A, 4A, 5A, so on up to NA. Like these are the multiple angles. Now we are also having submultiple angles. Submultiple angles means sub part of an angle. That means A by 2, A by 3, A by 4, 3A by 4, 2A by 5. These are all like submultiple angles, right, my dear students? These are all what? Submultiple angles means in the sense sub part of it. Within that angle, some part of it we are going to take, right? These are the submultiple angles we are having, right? Now what we will be doing is, now results we are having here. The first result is nothing but sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A for all A belongs to its domain. Okay, all real numbers, right? Sin 2A we are having two formulas, right? One is 2 sin A cos A and another one is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. 1 plus tan square A. Here A is right. Here A belongs to the domain of tan. That means you know that here whenever you use this formula, you have to be very careful that A belongs to R minus of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, because okay, tan A will be defined finite only when within its domain. It is not defined at odd multiples of 90 degrees. That's why we are taking care regarding this. Regarding the first formula, A can be any real number. Regarding the second formula, A is not, okay, A belongs to R minus of 2n plus 1 pi by 2. That you have to take out like this. Now you see my dear students how we are going to do these proofs. Sin 2A is equal to, okay, sin 2A. How we are going to do this is something like sin A plus A, right? Sin 2A equal to what, Nana? Sin A plus A, that is sin 2A. This is sin A plus B formula we will apply, that is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. That means in the place of B we are having A only, sin A cos A plus cos A sin A like this, right? This is equal to 2 sin A cos A like this, right? Okay, sin A cos A plus sin A cos A, if you add you will get 2 sin A cos A. You have got one result like this. Now the second result, is suppose you take how we are going to get this, right? 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A like this. If you take this is nothing but now 2 into, right, how we will write sin A by cos A whole thing divided by 1 plus sin square A by cos square A like this, right? Now this equal to 2 sin A by cos A, right, divided by, you are having here cos square A plus sin square A by cos square A. This cos A, one cos A will be cancelled, and this is equal to, my dear students, what we are going to have, this is 2 sin A by cos A we are having, and that cos square A will be, okay, one is cancelled and that will be goes to the numerator, and cos square A plus sin square A become 1. That means we have got this as like, right? Here actually you see my dear students what the process is happening is this cos A, one cos A cancelled and it will goes to the numerator, then cos square A plus sin square A is 1, 2 sin A cos A you have got like this. That is nothing but what actually we have proved now, sine 2a. Sine 2a, that is nothing but left hand side, like this. That is nothing but what? The left hand side. Like this, this wonderful result of sine 2a we can get it. Now we have another result number 2, that is cos 2a is equal to cos square a. We have to prove one is cos square a minus sine square a. Okay, here for all a belongs to R. A is the domain of, right, cos a and sine a. And number 2, 1 minus 2 sine square a, for all a belongs to R. Number 3, 2 cos square a minus 1, for all a belongs to R. Number 4, 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, for all a belongs to here R minus of 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Because if you suppose you take any odd multiple of 90 degrees for a here, then it become undefined, then you will not get anything. That's why, right, these 4 formulas now we are going to prove. You see how beautifully we are going to get it. Now this cos 2a is equal to, my dear students, you can write it as something like cos a plus a, like this, right? Cos a plus a, that is cos a plus b formula, that is cos a sin b, that is sin a minus cos a sin b minus, sorry, this is cos a cos b, sorry, this is cos a cos b, that is cos a minus sin a sin b. This is now sin a sin b is also a, like this, right? Now cos a into cos a become now cos square a minus sin square a. We are having cos square a minus sin square a. Wonderfully we have got now the first result. You see, my dear students, we have got nicely the first result. Okay, now the second one within this. Okay, the second one, dear students, you observe, it is now purely in terms of sine you are having. That's why what you do is, now you have got cos square a minus sin square a. What you do is, this cos square a, you write in terms of sin square a. That means 1 minus sin square a minus sin square a, like this. Now this is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. See how beautifully we got now the second result, like this. 1 minus 2 sin square a. Now the third result also, see how we are going to get. My dear students, you please observe. Okay, we have got cos 2a means cos square a minus sin square a, but this is purely in terms of cos a. That's why you also convert that purely in terms of cos a. That is now cos square a minus sin square a. That become 1 minus cos square a, like this, right? Now this become, my dear students, cos square a minus 1 plus cos square a, like this. That means cos square a plus cos square a, that is nothing but 2 cos square a minus 1. See how beautifully we have got now the third result, like this. Now the fourth one, my dear students, how we are going to do is just observe that let us take the right hand side part here. That is nothing but 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a, like this. Now this is, right, you write 1 minus, right, this you write as, my dear students, 1 minus sin square a by cos square a. You know that tan square a means that 1 minus sin square a by cos square a, and this is 1 plus sin square a by cos square a. You are having like this, 1 plus sin square a by cos square a. We have got like this. Now let us try to take LCM, Nana. Here, this is what we are having here, cos square a. If you take LCM, this become now cos square a minus sin square a. Whole thing divided by, here also cos square a. If you take LCM here, now this become cos square a plus sin square a, like this. Now this cos square a cancelled, and cos square a plus sin square a is 1, and you have got that as cos square a minus sin square a, that is equal to cos 2a. See, you have taken the right hand side part, and beautifully we have got that as, see, left hand side. That means cos 2a, we proved all these 4 results, like cos square a minus sin square a, 1 minus 2 sin square a, 2 cos square a minus 1, and 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. These are the 4 results which are for cos 2a, right? Now we have the third result, my dear students. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. For all a belongs to r minus 2n plus 1 pi by 2. That means odd multiples of 90 degrees we are taking out, because at those values they are not defined. Which are not defined? Tan a is not defined. That's why we are taken out them. Now how we are going to, this is also very simple, my dear students. We know that tan 2a is equal to, we can write this as tan a plus a, like this, right? Tan a plus a. Tan a plus b formula. That means in the place of b you are having a. Now tan a plus tan a, right? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. Here in the place of b you are having a, like this. Now this becomes what we are getting. You see, my dear students, tan a plus tan a is nothing but 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, like this. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. See how beautifully we have got this result. That means this is what the right hand side part we have, like that, right? Fine. Now like that result number 4 we are having here. That is what cot 2a. Cot 2a is equal to cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a, like this, right? How we are going to prove? You see, my dear students, the same way. Okay, cot 2a we can write it as right, cot 2a we can write it as cot of a plus a, we can write like this. This is nothing but cot a plus b formula is cot a cot b. Cot a cot b means this, minus 1 by cot b plus cot a. Here, okay, in the place of b we are taking a only, because a plus b, in the place of b we are having a only. Now this is nothing but cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a, right? Fine. And this is equal to, my dear students, the right hand side. Okay, we have taken, fine, left hand side, and this is equal to the right hand side part. And also one thing you have to remember, here a belongs to r minus of n pi, where n belongs to z here. Okay, it is not defined. Cot a is not defined at multiples of 180 degrees. That's why those all multiples of 180 degrees we are taking out, removing off from the real number line. Like this we have got these beautiful results, my dear students. Now result number 5, my dear students, we are having some other beautiful results. Those are number 1, sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2, right? And from this only sin a is equal to plus or minus root over, however, 1 minus cos 2a by 2, right? This is the result we are having. And b is cos square a is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2, like this, 1 plus cos 2a by 2. That means here cos a is equal to, right, plus or minus root over 1 plus cos 2a by 2, like this, right? And after that c is nothing but tan square a. Tan square a is equal to, right, 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a, right? Fine, like this, 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. And from this tan a is equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a. We are going to get like this, right? Fine. How we are going to get this? We will observe, my dear students. You see the proof part, how we will be doing. Already, my dear students, from cos 2a we have derived, okay? Okay, the second formula, we are having 4 formulas. Among them, one of the formula is 1 minus 2 sin square a. This is purely in terms of sin a. Now from this 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a, like this. From this sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2, like this. Sin square a equal to, see, wonderfully we have got part a, like this, sin square a. Right, my dear students. Now from this another one, sin a is equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos 2a by 2, like this. 1 minus cos 2a by 2. This is also we have got. Now the second one also we have got in A part, right? In the same way, my dear students, now the B part what we are having is the B part. We have, my dear students, we derived 4 formulas. Among one formula is purely in terms of cos A, that is you are having 2 cos square A minus 1. That means 1 plus cos 2A. This is equal to 2 cos square A, right? Fine. And now you subject cos square A here. If you subject cos square A, you are going to get this as 1 plus cos 2A by 2. From this now cos A is equal to, my dear students, however you have got, now see the B part we have got here. B part we have got. And the cos A equal to plus or minus root over 1 plus cos 2A by 2. See, in B part the second one also we have got, right? My dear students, this way we will be getting, right? Now the C part also we will try to do. See here, C is equal to actually tan square A is equal to, right? Tan square A is equal to, you know that sin square A by cos square A. Tan square A equal to sin square A by cos square A. Therefore, sin square A equal to what they have given? 1 minus cos 2A by 2 by 1 plus cos 2A by 2. This 2 cancelled. Therefore, tan square A equal to, beautifully we have got, right? 1 minus cos 2A by 1 plus cos 2A. That is what we have got. Now see, tan square A equal to this, right? Now, fine. Tan A is equal to, from this tan A equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos 2A by 1 plus cos 2A, like this, right? 1 minus cos 2A by 1 plus cos 2A. You see, my dear students, that is what we are having nicely. You please observe, right? Now, result number 6, my dear students, we are having sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a for all a belongs to R, like this. How we are going to prove this beautiful result? You see, my dear students, sin 3a we are having here like this. This sin 3a we can write it as sin a plus 2a, like this. Sin a plus 2a, like this. This is now sin a plus b formula. This is now sin a cos 2a, right? Sin a plus b formula. In the place of a, you are having here what, Nana? A. In the place of b, you are having 2a. Sin a cos 2a. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, like this. Sin b means sin 2a, like this, right? Now you see, my dear students, this formula is now purely in terms of sine. That's why you see how we are going to do is now sin a into cos 2a. Cos 2a, because we want everything in terms of sine. Cos 2a we are having 4 formulas. Among them you substitute the formula which is purely in sine. That is now 1 minus 2 sin square a, right? Plus cos a into sin 2a is nothing but 2 sin a cos a, like this. 2 sin a cos a. Now sin a into 1 is sin a minus, you are having here 2 sin cube a plus, right? You are having here, my dear students, 2 sin a into cos square a, like this, right? Now this equal to sin a minus 2 sin cube a plus 2 sin a into cos square a is nothing but 1 minus sin square a, like this. Now this is equal to, you see, my dear students, sin a minus 2 sin cube a we have got plus 2 sin a into 1 is 2 sin a minus 2 sin cube a, like this. Okay, my dear students, now sin a plus 2 sin a, Nana, this is 3 sin a. 3 sin a minus 2 sin cube a minus 2 sin cube a, that is nothing but minus 4 sin cube a, right? Therefore, we have got nicely sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, right? In this beautiful way, we have got this particular result. Very, very important, my dear students. Sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, right? Now, my dear students, result number 7, we are having cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a for all a belongs to R. Now, we need to get this purely in terms of cos. See how we are going to do. This is also 3a we are having here. This you write it as cos a plus 2a, right? This you write it as a plus 2a cos 3. This is cos a plus b formula, that is nothing but cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, like this. Sin a sin b, like this. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. That means, you see, my dear student, now cos a cos 2a, right? Cos 2a, because we need purely in terms of cos, we have 4 formulas. Among them, one is purely in cos. You are having, that is 2 cos square a minus 1 minus sin a into here 2 sin a cos a, 2 sin a cos a. You are having like this, right? My dear students, now this is 2 cos cube a minus 1, right? Minus 2 cos cube a multiply minus 1 into cos a, that is minus cos a, minus 2 sin square a cos a, like this, minus 2 sin square a cos a. Now this equal to 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 into sin square a is nothing but 1 minus cos square a into cos a, like this. Now this equal to 2 cos cube a minus cos a, right? Minus 2 into cos a, that is minus 2 cos a, and minus 2 into cos a into, and see, my dear student, 2 into cos a is there. That total you are multiplying, Nana, here. Okay, minus 2 into cos a into 1, minus 2 cos a, minus into minus plus. You are having here 2 cos cube a, like this. Now this is equal to 2 cos cube a plus 2 cos cube a is nothing but 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, like this. See how beautifully we have got cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. See, this is what result number 7, and beautifully we have got this result. Now tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Here 3a and a belongs to its domain r minus 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. That means odd multiples of 90 degrees is taken out from real numbers, because at those things these become undefined. That's why, right? Proof, you see, my dear students, this proof also we will be doing like tan 3a is equal to tan a plus 2a, like this, a plus 2a, right? Tan 3a equal to tan a plus 2a we can write, and tan a plus b formula you can apply. That is nothing but tan a plus tan b. Tan b is tan 2a divided by 1 minus tan a into tan 2a. Okay, Nana? Like this, right? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. This is tan a plus b formula. Now this is equal to tan a plus tan 2a, we already derived formula, Nana, that is nothing but 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. This whole thing divided by 1 minus tan a into tan 2a is nothing but 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. See how beautifully we have got. Now let us try to simplify this. You take LCM as 1, like this, right? If you take LCM as 1, Nana, here the denominator you are having 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a. Here if it is got multiplied with this, then we will do directly 1 minus tan square a into tan a. That is nothing but tan a minus tan cube a, right? Plus 2 tan a, plus 2 tan a, right? Like this, plus 2 tan a. Whole thing divided by, you are having here, okay, you take LCM here also, 1 minus tan square a. You take LCM, Nana, 1 minus tan square a. That is now 1 minus tan square a minus, you are having 2 tan square a, minus 2 tan square a, like this, right? Fine. Right? Fine. Now see this 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a will be cancelled. Now this is equal to tan a plus 2 tan a is nothing but 3 tan a minus tan cube a. 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. That is nothing but 3 tan square a. This is what we have got. See my dear student, 3 tan a minus tan cube a by 1 minus 3 tan square a. This is what we require to prove, and we have got this. This is what tan 3a formula, my dear students. Right? Wonderfully we have got this formula. Please observe. Now my dear students, we are having cot 3a equal to 3 cot a minus cot cube a by 1 minus 3 cot square a. Right? Here 3a and a are not multiples of pi. Here 3a comma a are not multiples, right, of pi like this. Because if it is multiples of pi means cot pi is not defined, because sin pi by cos pi become minus 1. You are having here 0. Cos by sine, that is undefined, like this you are having here. That's why they are not defined. See now how we are going to do the proof part of this. Cot 3a, we can write it as cot a plus 2a, my dear students. Cot a plus 2a. Now we can apply here, right? Which formula means cot a plus b formula. That is nothing but cot a cot 2a minus 1 by cot a plus cot 2a, right? Wonderfully we have applied like this. Now this is equal to cot a into cot 2a. Cot 2a is nothing but cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a, right? This total minus 1 by cot a plus cot 2a. Cot 2a formula is what? Cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a, like this, right? Fine. Now see my dear students, here we can nicely do one thing here, right? What we can do is we can understand here cot a into cot 2a, that is now cot 2a we are having here. Cot 2a is cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a minus 1. We have got like that. Now this is equal to, my dear students, we are going to do now this is cot a into cot square a is cot cube a minus cot a whole by 2 cot a minus 1, right? And we will take LCM also there. Here also we will take LCM, Nana. Here we will take LCM, means this is now 2 cot a here. This is now 2 cot square a, 2 cot square a, like this, plus cot square a minus 1, like this, right? Fine. Now this here also we take LCM, Nana. First here if you take LCM, here 2 cot a is the LCM. If you take LCM, that is nothing but cot cube a minus cot a minus here 2 cot a. This is what? 2 cot a whole thing by, we have got 2 cot square a plus cot square a, that is nothing but 3 cot square a minus 1 by 2 cot a, like this, 2 cot a, like this, right? That means we have got cot cube a. See my dear students, what we have got here, cot cube a minus 3 cot a by 3 cot square a minus 1, 3 cot square a minus 1 we have got like this, right, my dear students? This once again, by taking minus sign common, we can get, by taking minus common in this, we will get that as 3 cot a minus cot cube a, like this. Minus, if you take common, that is 3 cot a by 3 cot a minus cot cube a. And here also you take minus common, then it become 1 minus 3 cot square a, like this. This minus minus will become plus, and we have got beautifully our result 3 cot a minus cot cube a by 1 minus 3 cot square a, right? This is nothing but cot 3a, right? This equal to what we got, my dear students. Once again we are writing 3 cot A minus, right, 3 cot A minus, right, cot cube A whole thing divided by 1 minus 3 cot square A, like this, right. This is what cot 3A formula, right. Wonderfully we have got like this. See my dear students, how we did. This is just a similar thing like tan 3A, how we have got. In that way only we got it. Now we are having the result number 10. Very beautiful things. Half angle formulas, right my dear students. Sin A is equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, one formula, and the second formula is 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2, right, 1 plus tan square A by 2. These are the things we are having here. See, this is very simple my dear students. As in the name it indicates that we need to take half of the angle. Actually we know that you see sin 2A equal to 2 sin A cos A, right, and one formula is that, and the second formula is nothing but 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A, 1 plus tan square A. In this you need to take half of the angle. In 2A what is half of angle? A. See Nana, 2A half of the angle is what? A. And in A half of the angle, everywhere 2A means half of the angle. A means half of the angle. In A half of the angle is nothing but A by 2. In A half of the angle is A by 2. Like that. That's why we have got now, okay, you have to replace 2A. Okay, everywhere whatever angle is there you have to replace its angle by half of it. Half of it means 1 by 2 you multiply. That's why we have got nicely my dear students. Now sin 2A equal to, that sin A equal to 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. And the second formula is 2 tan A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2. Wherever A is there, you replace by A by 2. Wherever 2A is there, you replace by 2A by 2. That is A. That's why it is named as half angle formula. Like that, the other formulas also we are going to get. Now, by understanding this simple concept, my dear students, in this what we are having next, cos A half angle formula. We are having 4 formulas, and their respect to half angle formulas are nothing but what you are having is number 1 cos square A by 2 minus sin square A by 2, right. Number 2 you have 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2, 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2. Number 3 2 cos square A by 2 minus 1, like this. Number 4, right, 2, you know, in terms of tan, what we are having is 1 minus tan square A by 2 by 1 plus tan square A by 2, right. That means wherever 2A is there you replace by A, wherever A is there you replace by A by 2, right, like this. Number 3, you see my dear students, half angle formula what we are having is tan A is equal to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2, 1 minus tan square A by 2. See here, wherever 2A is there you take A, wherever A is there you take A by 2. Tan A equal to 2 tan A by 2 by 1 minus tan square A by 2. Number 4, cot A is equal to, okay, we have here cot 2A formula, you know that, right, that is nothing but cot square, okay, cot 2A is cot square A by 2 minus 1 by 2 cot A by 2, 2 cot A by 2. Like this, these 4 formulas we are having on half angle formulas. They are very, very, very important, my dear students. See, just what mechanism you did is, wherever that angle is there, you taken half of it. By that you have got the original results in terms of half angle formulas you have got. Now, result number 11, we have here, we derived already, my dear students, sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos 2A by 2, right. Now, in terms of half angle formula, this is now sin square A by 2, okay. You take half of the angle, this become now 1 minus cos A by 2, right, by taking half angle formulas like this. Therefore, from this sin A is equal to plus or minus 1 minus square root of 1 minus cos A by 2, like this, okay. This is A part if you think like this, and B part in the same way, my dear students. We know that cos square A is equal to 1 plus cos 2a by 2, right? By taking half angle formula, cos square a by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos a by 2, like this, right? And from this, my dear students, see how beautifully we have got half angle formula. Now cos a is equal to plus or minus root over 1 plus cos a by 2, right? Like this we have got nicely, my dear students. Number C, you have here now tan square a. Tan square a we have got it as 1 minus cos 2a by 1 plus cos 2a, like this. That means half angle formula, if you take tan square a by 2 equal to 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a, right? This is cos a, none of this, right? This is what now how beautifully we got the half angle formula. From this tan a is equal to, right, plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a, like this, right? Fine. These results like this we have got, right? In terms of half angle, these are the things we got. Now see, my dear student, tan a by 2 equal to, we written plus or minus 1 minus cos a by 1 plus cos a. I just multiplied and divided by 1 minus cos a by 1 minus cos a. This equal to plus or minus 1 minus cos a whole square by sin square a. Then we can write it as 1 minus cos a by this sin a, we can write like this. Because 1 minus cos a is always positive and sin a is positive, because when tan a by 2 you are having here the signs of plus or minus of the trigonometric ratios, what we are having is these need not to be mentioned, because sin a always have the same sign as of 1 minus cos a, because tan a by 2 and sin a, tan a by 2 and sin a will have same sign. That's why we have got 1 minus cos a by sin a, like this, right? Now we are having, my dear students, 1/3 angle formulas result. This is result number 12. In that a is sin a is equal to, right, my dear students, sin a is equal to 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3, like this. 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3, because 1/3 angle formulas means in the angle you are going to take 1/3 of it, 1/3 part of it. You see, my dear students, how we have got is sin 3a equal to, we know already, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. We know this already. In this 3a, you take 1/3 of angle. That means 3a means wherever the angle is there, you take 1/3 of it. That means 3a by 3 equal to a. That's why you taken a here. And next here a means a by 3, 1/3 of it. Here a by 3. That's why we have got now 1/3 of angle formulas means, my dear students, you have to take 1/3 of what is originally present. That's why sin 3a means 3a by 3, sin a equal to 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3, right? 3 sin a by 3 minus 4 sin cube a by 3. In the same way, we are going to have the formulas like cos a, cos 3a, you know this, cos a is equal to 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos a by 3, right? Like this, 4 cos cube a by 3 minus 3 cos a by 3. C is nothing but next same 1/3 angle formula for tan 3a. Tan 3a means you are going to take 1/3 of the angle, means you are going to have 3 tan a by 3 minus 3 tan a by 3 minus tan cube a by 3. Tan cube a by 3 by 1 minus 3 tan square a by 3. Okay, Nana? 1 minus 3 tan square a by 3. In the same way, we have cot a, cot 1/3 of the angle, we are going to have 3 cot a by 3, 3 cot a by 3 minus, this is cot cube a by 3, cot cube a by 3 by 1 minus, right, 3 cot square a by 3, 3 cot square a by 3, which is same as like this. Here only tan is there, here you are having cot. That means 1/3 angle formulas means, my dear students, whenever the angle is there, you need to take 1/3 of it. By that we are getting these all formulas which are very, very, very important, right? Right, you please observe. These are all are defined in their domains, right? Now the problems part, my dear students, we are having some interesting problems here. The first one is prove that sin 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to tan theta. You see how we are going to do this beautiful. You can write, these are something like problem come results, right? Either you can treat it as a problem, or if it is useful somewhere else, you can substitute this as like a result also, right? Now you take left hand side, my dear students. This is sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta divided by 1 plus cos 2 theta. See, my dear students, okay, 1 plus cos 2 theta is what? 2 cos square theta. I already told you that cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1, and 1 plus cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta. 2 cancel, 1 cos theta, 1 cos theta. Now sin theta by cos theta become tan theta. This is what you have got the right hand side part. You taken left hand side part and you got right hand side part nicely, right, my dear students? Like this. Now like that we have one more thing, prove that we have prove that right, the problem is sin 2 theta by 1 minus cos 2 theta. This equal to, you require to prove it as cot theta. You require to prove it as cot theta. Now see how you will prove this. Left hand side you take sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta equal to what? 2 sin theta by cos theta. Okay, Nana? And 1 minus cos 2 theta, that is nothing but 2 sin square theta. Now 2 will cancel, 1 sin theta, 1 sin theta. Now cos theta by sin theta is equal to, we have got cot theta, like this. You see how beautifully we have got this particular result, cot theta. See, this is what? Cot theta, because cos theta by sin theta, right? See, my dear students, now we have another interesting problem. The third problem, prove that 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta by 1 plus sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta. This is equal to, you need to prove cot theta. See, my dear students, how we are going to prove this our part. We are going to rearrange nicely. This 1 plus sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta is there. We write it as 1 plus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta, like this, plus sin 2 theta, whole thing divided by, and this is now 1 minus cos 2 theta. You rearrange the terms like this. Okay, 1 minus cos 2 theta plus sin 2 theta, like this, right? Once you have got the things like this, now you know that here 1 plus cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta plus sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is nothing but here 2 sin theta cos theta, whole thing divided by 1 minus cos 2 theta equal to 2 sin square theta plus sin 2 theta is nothing but 2 sin theta cos theta. See, my dear students, in the numerator we can take nicely common something. What is that? We can take is 2 cos theta. If you take common, we are going to have cos theta plus sin theta, whole thing divided by, if you take here 2 sin theta common, you are going to have sin theta plus cos theta. This will cancel, 2 will cancel. Now cos theta by sin theta become cot theta. That is what the right hand side part. Wonderfully we have got this problem. Now we have one more interesting problem, my dear students. See how we are going to do, prove that. Let us take left hand side, my dear students. Here also we rearrange the terms, right? What is that? Is prove that 1 plus sin theta. Actually the problem is, I am reading once again, 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta equal to tan theta by 2. Now you take left hand side, my dear students. I am going to take first 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta, right, divided by, here also 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta, like this. Now this is 1 minus cos theta. We already did half angle formulas. That is nothing but 2 sine square theta by 2, remember. And sine theta, half angle formula is nothing but 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, like this. Whole thing divided by, here 1 plus cos theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta by 2 plus, and sine theta half angle formula is nothing but 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2, like this. Now this equal to, you have now 2 sine theta by 2, you take common. If you take 2 sine theta by 2, if you take common, that is nothing but sine theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2, whole thing divided by, now you are having what, Nana? See, denominator also you can take 2 cos theta by 2 common. Then if you take common, that become cos theta by 2 plus sine theta by 2. This will cancel, 2 will cancel. Now sine theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 equal to tan theta by 2. In this way, you will have these beautiful problems, my dear students. Right? See, my dear students, the fifth problem what we are having is prove that cos 2 theta by 1 plus sine 2 theta equal to tan pi by 4 minus theta. How you will prove this beautiful problem? You see, my dear students, how we are going to do? I am going to write, you see, the left hand side we are having here cos 2 theta, I am going to write it as sine pi by 2, sine 90 minus theta. Sine pi by 2 means 90. 90 minus 2 theta, I can write like this, right? Cos 2 theta we can write as like this. Next, we have here sine 2 theta, we are having 1 plus sine 2 theta, I write it as pi by 2 minus 2 theta, we can write like this. Just we have converted this cos 2 theta into sine 90 minus 2 theta and this sine 2 theta into cos 90 minus 2 theta. Like this we have converted. Now what we are having is sine pi by 2 minus 2 theta you are having here. That you can write it as, you see my dear students, this is something like the formula you are having here, right? Sine 2a formula means 2 sine a cos a, or sine a means 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2. Okay, by applying half angle formula, this equal to 2 sine a by 2. A by 2 means, okay, pi by 4 minus theta and cos pi by 4 minus theta. Because we have taken half angle formula, half of pi by 2 is pi by 4 minus half of 2 theta is theta. That's why sine a equal to 2 sine a by 2 cos a by 2, like this. And also this is half angle formula. You know that 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. That means 2 cos square theta by 2 means pi by 4 minus theta. This 2 will cancel, this one and this one will cancel. Now sin pi by 4 minus theta by cos pi by 4 minus theta, that is nothing but tan pi by 4 minus theta. This is equal to the right hand side part. You have got nicely, see how good logic is involved and impacted here to get this problem, right? Now see my dear students, one more interesting problem, that is sixth one. Prove that cos theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to, you need to prove tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2, right my dear students? How we are going to do this also, you see my dear students, the left hand side we are having cos theta, I write it as sin pi by 2 minus theta, because cos theta equal to sin 90 degrees minus theta divided by 1 plus sin theta is there, that I write it as cos pi by 2 minus theta, cos pi by 2 minus theta, like this. Now see, this is sin A. Sin A means 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2. Therefore, this is nothing but 2 sin A by 2. A by 2 is what now? Pi by 4 minus theta by 2 cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2. We have like this. Whole thing divided by, right now 1 plus cos A, that is 2 cos square A by 2. That means 2 cos square pi by 4 minus theta by 2. 2 will cancel. Cos pi by 4 minus theta by 2, this. Now sin by cos, that is nothing but tan pi by 4 minus theta by 2. This is the right hand side part. See how beautifully and nicely we got this problem, right? So very important problem, my dear student. This one many times they have asked in competitive exams, right? The left hand side, okay, we take prove that actually what is the problem is square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 8 theta equal to 2 cos theta. Now you take the left hand side here. This is nothing but 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 you take common here, my dear student, then it become 1 plus cos 8 theta, right? 8 theta I can write as 2 into 4 theta, something like this. We can write like this. Now this becomes square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 1 plus cos 2a. In the place of a you are having 4 theta. That means 1 plus cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a. That is now 2 into 2 cos square a. A is nothing but what here? 4 theta. Wonderful. Like this. Now this equal to root over 2 plus root over 2 plus 2 into 2 4. 4 cos square 4 theta. That we can write it as 2 cos 4 theta we can write nicely. Right. Now my dear students, square root of 2 plus square root of 2 you take common here. This is now 1 plus 4 theta we can write as 2 into 2 theta like this. Now this equal to square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 1 plus cos 2a. Once again here the same logic you apply, then it become 2 cos square a, that is 2 cos square 2 theta. Now this equal to square root of 2 plus 2 into 2 4. 4 this is now 2 cos 2 theta like this, right my dear students? Now see, very simple, this is 2, if you take common 1 plus cos 2 theta like this. Now this is square root of 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta. Now 2 into 2 4 cos square theta, and square root of that is nothing but 2 cos theta. That is what the right hand side part. How beautifully we have got this problem, my dear students. You please observe. Now see one more very important problem for competitive exams, my dear students. This is what we are having. Prove that 1 secant 8 theta minus 1 by secant 4 theta minus 1 is equal to tan 8 theta by tan 2 theta you require to prove. See how you will be proving this is left hand side. This equal to secant 8 theta you can write it as 1 by cos 8 theta minus 1 by 1 secant 4 theta you can write as 1 by cos 4 theta minus 1 like this. Now you take LCM like this. If you take LCM, now this is cos 8 theta is equal to 1 minus cos 8 theta divided by, my dear students, 1 minus this is cos 4 theta divided by cos 4 theta like this. Now this is cos 8 theta, my dear students, you can write as 1 minus cos 2 into 4 theta, right, divided by cos 8 theta you are having, and this is now cos 4 theta. This will comes to the numerator divided by 1 minus cos 4 theta you can write it as, right, you can write it as 1 minus cos 2 into 2 theta like this you can write, right. Now my dear students, this is 1 minus cos 2a, that is nothing but 2 sin square a, that is now 2 sin square 4 theta into cos 4 theta divided by cos 8 theta you are having here, right, into 1 minus cos 2a, that is 2 sin square a, that is nothing but 2 sin square 2 theta like this, right my dear students. This is what we are having here. Now this 2 sin square 4 theta I write it as 2 sin 4 theta into cos 4 theta into sin 4 theta you can write. Whole thing divided by, my dear students, this is cos 8 theta you are having into, right, you have 2 sin square 2 theta, 2 sin square 2 theta like this, right. Now this is equal to, my dear students, 2 sin A cos A. In the place of A you are having 4 theta, that is nothing but sin 2A. That means sin 2 into 4 theta, that is sin 8 theta, that is nothing but sin 8 theta, right, into sin 4 theta we can write as sin 2 into 2 theta. That 4 theta we can write as sin 2 into 2 theta, that is nothing but 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta divided by, right, cos 8 theta you are having like this into 2 sin square 2 theta, like this. 2 cancel, 1 sin 2 theta, 1 sin 2 theta will be cancelled. Sin 8 theta by cos 8 theta, my dear students, that is tan 8 theta, okay, and this is cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta, that is nothing but cot 2 theta, and that we can write it as nicely tan 8 theta by cot 2 theta. Cot 2 theta is nothing but 1 by tan 2 theta, that's why tan 2 theta. This is what the right hand side part. You have taken left hand side part and you have got right hand side part in this beautiful way. Right, my dear students, very interesting problems and concepts we have discussed in this video. Please subscribe, ask your friends to subscribe and share this channel. Thank you very much, my dear students. God bless you.